Mala. Good evening. Again, Andaman Dunagat Belinjak coming live again today. The topic Michalat Pan, but I just want to put a little bit detail on it, and I'll talk about this in Nuer. Mali Yinchi Maradial tin beer with Tiani, Tiang Temaka US. Tia Jenny the other half of people care can Namagulijak, Australia, a room on Kachan Gargake. So, Maluga job a topic is a lot pun. I think a pangay room. So, I put a spin on it. Chalat Kapet. But check with your attention, turn out a cup. So take a question one channel take to wake you. I should put some detail on them. Topic is a lot me. It was about infertility. Infertility, just broadcast what caused it from a male point of view or woman point of view. So quite more you call a lot of month, I think 30 minutes ago. Cái topic cái đi, chứ we now we'll just divide a little bit more. A while ago they concentrate along, kukwida kongade, and then they were open because some of the diseases they like our cause can muda raan a lado a legend. Of course, tell me take a medicine, me take 100% curative, me should talk, but take it till a lot get the ngọc thì đỡ cái giờ đỡ có khách cố gắng ngoài này mismatch cái đồng quan hệ chăm đồng đại thì tin là dân quy nhiên của lệ so bạn có thể correlate to that. So with that being said, con mua jadi to talk while I'm getting my stuff ready. Thank you. Đi là mẹ the singer with me charle cả đàn múa gong charle boy Michael no. Thank you. I mean, thank you, thank you. So, kudan go along, jen youth con the diale let con the right content. Tell her mungage point run more than jen. Me no me you have the team no go con. A major talk here pallet or the kama in the New York neck. So an topic me lade Japan kaje. Lada dollar finger ladder. But tell me you put the chow with more with around to it. Shirana da lat. So yene di siben ga line di kane galam du bijedi yen take a tipan and lad long special kuida kon woni ni de ba pala rodun pin bi akaling mu wawa take time ba ben ke job ko ken tin the tipen ga mandap ke te moy kana ke infection ni bi ko ko lead ko go bitroben kumrai ko kono wala ke rai ko kono pan ga je o infertility radian sia kuen pai kuen ke pai kuen pai yoro je min la loina the ted ke nyam ka culture ana woni di siro kuen da ga mal je right away bithana struggle mu cha ga je ga jam community change to ka culture ana ke wi mo na dien che me la pan ga je la mal blame no man e man no. According to the current research right now, National Library of Medicines, a la infertility, tell double 20% of it take a wood, take a conwoon. 20% of it. Coming to work here worldwide, just don't take an 186 million people who could struggle go to a gadget, naturally. So out of 186 million at all, 120% can very easy fix. So I can be converted. So iyo bana wahen up ko job tin guru di screen ko wunu bana rai ke male cancer tin te getting gura no di rai che kaje mi chi chop ka age me. So bana ko cap more time than we allow. Of course standard right now. Break I will use it for this one. So, kuni mo cher mi jala no physical mi chia kwen ki chat agreement here an wo bi atakel. Gori je bi ataka 1 year gori yen gat. Mi chia 1 year mi chia thuk. Atela gat mut walk by a diagnosed with a fertility problem. Like I say, ramen nyama ba kon blame me wood. Western medicine and member continent. Made a roll on la no. Let's start with male. Ba would ba go to ba nang dual wall. Ba counsel first. So ala counseling a kan ke wood kenyam e wo take ni je ke chiang take ye as a family. And when the more nog yene nog ji kajen would take experience kaman teacher contact to teacher contact kula ben je ni jen ka kula ben te ni jen ta me chu ngok bo to ba ka lat ka je and then now ka sensitive information ti ba o ti ke chiang da ba de o mi che ta ko be ta ke chek la nyin pa la karodi ni je ka la bu ma la chu up to what kind so what order me cha lat pan ga je so bina jien ba mi cha la khan ba kan a tin dap ke wood token number millions and millions to go by nyam kel ba wa het ba tuong kel ba wa tiap kan kan yin wood ta ton gor ke bi ke jal bi ka healthy bi ka ta ko ne go ai sam kan ke environment ta gatin min kula ji chek okay ji chek me environment there toxic kake bakamal na right away but chuan chutin bana ko chutin chere me chala pan ge ba panken ba go ru ba ga kwen ba mi chale sperm kan ba la kalap ba yin ru da ba ga kan ba ken sperm to ba ka wo kwen through microscope mi cha number yen wi jig rung a cha jig rung then then what is the problem? To would take a hormonal problem, take a thyroid disease, take a depression, take a psychiatric problem. Cause psychiatric problem can take a stress. Go take the last thing Allah come now adapt. You know. Michi andun michara palping chi loy du tedre chi ang metatin la dab la ja kui so and mo ba ji ka specialist michali urology ki michali endocrinologist ne to mo kana latwa kan further evaluation urology with them ne point and tang kelo and tanga kana ko gwa dabadu awo ne ka bladder awo ne ka michali prostate and then a one in the me take infection me the thing again ba kan be rami chali endocrinologist bariam be wotem tell me jalan mana dong di ta ke jwe ka mala chala hypothalamus ka brain du ka pituitary glands to those are things in the guru ba ko kan by environment and ching tin ba guru no ba ngajin go thick infections te mala chala epidermitis can me chala or chitis infection it to je ka tilai chale jwat je ka thoina yo tung limbaw term sexual transmitted disease dong bai chu ran ba ka kan chu ba ka kan ba ka analyze te jidien ka infection medicine mi chi tuong no wal then is not going away just simple like chu so mi chai ju je ka take infection medicine it will be treated by you treat them ala treatment no more nang and no guam to long you to long let me put it that way malagat gwandong ki loy te yen yen ne ko ndi ala ko ken so iyo akola yo sperm count in gurka bakan mi cha jike lo kwi te guru ba direct like sperm count malaja kwi min nyam chana bai medan ke dietary problem anything has to do with min chamran re te garan kele poiran by this you go take a weight mi mala point riudan yal ko kon very slim ka culture da but let's wait the midi point to pet the woman mal do ko pet beta ga jay ko mu it has side effect it has problem ala ga the content an ke BMI over 30 dabdien da take the issue so no more ba go jin you have to be WBT my you ba run go ba it and then I'm teach age 40 and I'm teach age 40 kilo la sperm can slow down ko chi lo mo da la young anymore your testosterone tin ku le ja wood ke la testosterone la wo mo ku ye chere we check me chụp ka age 45 on yam ki ni 30 ka ni di la dear estrogen bo la we ko mo ku ye ko ba sin ke na da bo che na cha ko na da bo ku so let's be a natural no so me jira mata ke age 40 ba jo ke ko che age 40 gurti di ji loka ke ko na mo tele mi di gerse you know mi ti exposure ke radiations mi te gwa mi la tin mi la ke chemical you be careful ata mi ci bandol wala ma dala ni la jël kay x-ray ni te la ko ngong ni ken ti kuri de ci na wo find out them ken so mi la de ko gwa mi so gwa mo ba ji check and then mi la de ko environment mi ta ke other toxic chemical che native the raan native la re kan ta pesticides gwa mi te ke lead mi dit calcium mercury kan to dia to ba go go bang are they causing are you working on that last but not least the doc to be important go to banana madika tap madika marijuana ke ma ko kon alla do ko to mi la tike ka dab du ti ke issue tin gore je wo bi chara tin bum wo gore je di ko pat tabla kona guji chere me fele lot tab is a serious problem, especially when it comes to productive health. Can a thang cancer I need one more right now medicine and long time it tab call the lung cancer, but again number one cause of bladder cancer. Okay, so mi chetabo a kel katindi long kamulong ko wajin point and tabo lead to marijuana connecting maka marijuana rudian maka tab ko marijuana minan quite smoke ne you know la do la lagi ya can't think in chicken take marijuana like I just a point get a number like that don quality I think they get used to it me ran tell you we don't charge up yet so tell you but quite so mama the marijuana do be capture me do dia come con a duikel me be long me dung la ja khap ko chong dung me chata ka wit ke chata ka power wit a kel ka ko ne di char me de wot ko con chen nang ni jikara cheme nak tam gwan da karo ada nage ne dial ta ka environment thitin mi chie jen no be ji penda con pen and ada I'll be honest with you my brothers and sisters so ramu biji mat ko con one day one time but what take issue dung double so by you council ke je yes mu pai kwen mu gur go bedap right away kachi da take issue over 1 year kamma de ko kam mu wa jo la cha kwen ni la kan yi to go your health the tool has nothing to do with it but teamwork with team nya now you are taking through that okay so a kel Minodian by your testosterone level by check. At testosterone to run get to tangian teli control okay. But michaka ngaji yo ban kulu ben treatment ikin michaka ngai yo kwike. Kachi tin daran kan lat chikalel. Chitapal, chimat ka marijuana, chimat ka kwang, and then chaji come tin diana ko kedin di lat cheo di meat very healthy. Here's a lifestyle change to go to. Me, you know, overweight, me be exercise. Point exercise, I'm a water me. Jagger yam jajala gua, jagger chowder jajala gua, jagger your testosterone, and kula male hormones, and be kula jab point to bomb ko di wo point you do. Like ya activated. Michi exercise. Buy your canoe routine exercise more. And then one back and yoko wait. Yin me jira mutaka diabetes. Kacang teli diabetes, mula mi ka sukar long. Pai ju ko sukar combination. Sukar chane ngai re kan tha madok ma chana ko thare ga chidide, chenai dia lo mu jwa thong no. Agent cause cholesterol, agent cause diabetes, ka agent now, agent pen another itself. So here will be a 100% by you cut it back a little bit. Sukar a can. And then no mudi ko le cham. By you mean a lot of fruits. Okay? We meet a lot of fruit can have vegetable. And then what have fruit kakon? May con the mangani, may con tela chalanga, apple, content. And then there is a real vegetable bakakon. Kodorane, tela palke nidacon, kayane tela matkare comne. So quanato broad retin instead and we managing like all processed food. Processed food can take China Benjaka Western world. So hard dong, corn dong, you know, burger, ya froze, narisia froze. Do you think you need to stay away a little bit from them? Min good kedi a wobi choka the healthy habits. Could you no exercise go? Mid you go be your health barora jet. Min good can now it will by your hormones. Tin chida toy ke work is low go back again. So once she lifestyle mà she change bài chứ mũi cầu wall cái wall mình cho nó không bao pins mà là không có là không nhớ ban đầu tin bây giờ ban đầu cái đúng nhớ là ovulation man là giờ bị mal thuộc but science has proven too a worry sperm can't do one so me gen chạy cái là problem they will give you that medicine trust me mui wall mà mui giờ wakan check do it ka long ko be dabdun or work a process but you have to do this the lifestyle be you get be jen ka tha the in sanitary lifestyle you know music jegne mi ci cham you know ci teli good eye mi cham so you gotta go back to that so and again what or mo go je ba finish ka me cha pal pan now chana loy ka job ko kentin would cause some time to erectile dysfunction. Menanti metod bican te jual dang jok tu barai kekati typical the curve kenu one. Gaya nama mela actually epidermitis. Allah, let me bring the picture. Yene to go get nemeti. Let me give up this picture a little bit. Allah name ejen gua double wood. Titi aken ni ante dap ke wood. So ken taga ke dep mukuka lagon baka kula wanang gua daban na mi chala prostrate so jin mi chita ke infection mi chi warage ka tangwa me either be seat ka prostrate wana me ke be jien be dep tang antanga me ma woka mukula boka ni ndabaduma be ken was seating no more like actually epidermitis Kia or Kairos, Michi by any point in can near themselves. So you malay jackarao, you call right tin manan. Rudy jake STD, a la jotila jacka, toyet into which are. You know, all of us, tell me jangak, you know, they buy blue, all a lot of the man would the man to the Bamela Ragabel, Panga take a lecture, which I was in. Chakulo kunala rake scene problem. Chakula walk on ideality, tell American got nago. It just give you a thought. So corn ideology jal or ideology jal young people, we are not all clean. So they take it one day Michi church, she walk all don't you know me clean, don't do we clean bo, don't you walk clean, you won't make a jay more. But you cup could you like gonorrhea and chlamydia. Ang gonorrhea and chlamydia, couple like Georgia carbonarke. Allow point on wooden me. La jang is cool lonya. La lonya can teach a cup to book to so but you done a lot of time lonya through that. Treatment that cook on a made and tweet the care michika by tweet penicillins. Don't treatment of a kind of through kamicha tweet. So be infected about be on and off. So sometimes in the end go become a bit. Be in depth in a metangi and a me barbage. No more go to jail who bought them. Cojan Micha Badger can't tweet a go. Laken is scarring. Lakena let ray tongue me. Allah laken piar lakena call ray tongue me. So a young jiggy a bunyanku. Allah point garnet in be got what up. La kan jen renia niku ala bor na ko bandrar be ko wala ka yo prostrate den be ne bor mo rei ne bor nan a kon ni jen kon sperm ni but ci point ni ci ga bucu so iyo wa sperm wa ko kon ba ga jegen ci ga rong dong bon ti to tin ci rori we squeeze through that and one of the thing go ro enjoy cho ale peter mai da so go re je ba ji screen ke je especially me pai good be, you know. I mean, in life, go to by screen. Joyke. Joy road, writing made and you more carbon than all the a joy testicular torsions. And I would all me take it. You can't tell I can loud all the time. Changarani, you're near we could leak a little numu. Lanella rodari, Horad. But rodari, then it's a devil rodari. So Benjamin la beje long but la beje quick. But thank you, I can pay that Laran pay that jig. ko en yan wuda jen rei ran thong mo chu ku la ben disen chu ku la ben pin ti da mi chu ko ji nak la kana kai nya la kana wore re gu ba dien thong mo they want to stay up there so and the more me chi dol mi tot mi cha complain kia ga du jin nya mo ki jin wuda mo mi cha complain o e be nyan please no ne dol wal ka te ka pat ko thana nian kien ka lau la karodin malarit so de dol mo de mal ben serve ka pat last but not least wal rai kon ga ken yin nian titi ala wood production de che chieng ni mo kui chu ko tia lang wu cha ka kwan sin la kan le ro ni jeremy ta dominant mi ne ben ka pai mi ben ka pai mi millions of them but kon wuli every single day nana me take a production ko wo ko ni da bu ko produce so jin mi chikal mi la nyuru gwa mi le changiri jin ga turbil lam ni nyin ko lab no ka pop up kala ban nyal chu ka nyuru ko mo le mi di mo le pin din to mo it will kill them so gur kan temperature mo moderate chikan gur go bi ka tare le no I would say need la take a laptop watch your laptop chuja chang ga boru long too much you know che chiang la nyidi chang ga boru it's fine then nyidi chang ga boru tell me it's not going to kill anything from them but kon gade let it stay away I stay away ka your area de me ko your production factory du chebe kap chong kini tin gori belat kini tu galat so yes again I'm gonna heat related exposure ka nyin kon gori je go bane kap chung to yes me would well a doctor would take a time to counsel you with those I think the cool sperm can cook slow because matka mas chapa menan because matka mas alcohol menan because matka daidu kongu kan di alton iyo cherek melan menan infection nan chelan nan the epidemics medan le the micho your prostate but the cup you know prostate ne me prostate la de men la de ewo ejen la bortin boke ni dabadu jela gale la tien menan de kon ke sukar ke cherek sukar akwala cherek sukar you know ko dong chi sukar 100% akantin ku yo spam ko survive tin ji chik ko changa ji chik ne nang dok can they feeding things but organ ku ko produce mi chala prostate and then prostate organ kel bo me be ka kon woni so mi chu ka age 50 and prostate me ba do to la we mu grow che pet te ja ka ba chu so ba pi ala mi dok me ayen ka dep we ga mu gwa chu no do we ga mu we je stretch ko we ga wagega so by time you kon chup ka age 60 ni ba ran mu ka mu lai chala BPH benign prostate hypertrophy alone na mi dit BNN ala wood choda cho bet along choda cho bet e which prostate cherode pit dit so jin bu ka your family doctor ba wo guru ba jitem la jatem ke joko mi ba point ba tiap mi cha ji go tung ni jin ba ji kham wala te walda ro kam garan wal kel ame ya chap ben pe wal kel jaga ne and dip the men chiro shrinks jaga ne jaum a little bit so be were relax and then bu gwa chuno do ba wo but me take infection mi chugutin like a bladder infection it to ko bladder UTI anything like that and then bangaitin third la take cancer again one of the most organs mala cancer mala ka dong la yana ling I think cha nan United States very clearly ala Quran Joe Biden ne cha will take prostate cancer again organ me a point pull along a very soft like malatake cancer ka cancer la cause to your testosterone and would me dab kelu me dab belong you know akwala me dab belong tk high chance ko di to prostate cancer actually can need in char Lincoln dur to ko kien ka America kaje carbonated one so I would recommend and go jin mi chu ka age 40 your prostate I check ko jen mi cha paltin and cancer men na kana ga je wo mi che jen kwa me dong da khai da wo de cho ko du la ma la wi cho ko da wo ko bla da mo da chum no ko lo je da jin nak but mi cha mal je ka syak la ja rat ka ke ba mo ke chemotherapy into cancer ban rai ke je so prostate cancer is one of the cancer me unit in the middle age ka ba ka ban care ga je along and then cancer ro de mi la chola testicular cancer ka ba ni young men along 18 or 35 la dul ko any dul ki any dul ngaje go da ro tem ni mu ga mi te ga ma mo puage ala nyan dul ge lu poda mi te ka tu rong di ci jektin ki ci jek la tok te ka mi tek mi te tin bum mi tabe ka chabe go je go bi nang doctor ba wo check ko jen a very curable mi cha mal jak la kam ga ni nyan morar ba ci wo evaluate kami cha nyan kamrar cha to agent 100% treatment bilolet kan nyan do dien mi but my you la ka ba no dol te tiene te ngani ki ko dol ngani ko mi choga 18 or 35 jen ko na ka tin by time ki 35 ba jin wudu dit you know bo di jin ka prostate cancer woni mi be ji jen ka jen level of testicular cancer but go along oda kon ngi ke oda kan self exam oda kan alat ko wan chirani je chala jen mi chala gem cell carcinoma rig nu mi cha paltin ai chawo kai nial then bo wa do long ko min je ka cancer la organ ko la wa in bed so amalel and then the next one bladder cancer mi chala transitional carcinoma mi jinu mi che tuo ko chi ko chone krem mi chi be you don't feel anything chi wo chone chi rem chenen cha ben go to jail a little bit begin a concern. I mean, don't kill yourself. So by the way evaluate it. Allah chu gwa can ban long thing me urethra be ne ka kidney ne me. But chu dia la can ban long gwa me ka bladder me. Mi che take cancer mi che pithin. The first sign I knew that an e wo bo chu ne krem. So mi che chu ne che wo krem how I evaluate. Sometimes no infection bo me tort me che hereditary in bladder me. So ba check especially median would me choke age 40. Bow check a cancer of the bladder, then the treatment day. Check along la now within through the wall one man. Bow scrape out bang and digit. But Barar, you good. You good to go. Tell me deal. But what is the risk factor? Bladder cancer. Risk factor I chairman mentioned me now. I'm a cut up. Me mother cut up. One time you which one career. Most likely we take a bladder cancer. Last but not least, a kidney cancer, renal carcinoma. Taran rock daharo. I think I'm going to bring a picture of rock a little bit here. Anyway, any human being take rock daharo. Rock, by tien latte nial. Tên nhà loạn một góc như của rọc tây cho qua mình là thống nhiên nữa anh em room điền cái flang cái vót cái jog được qua mình cái dân qua chụp cột rọc qua chạm tin cô bình nhiệt cô là căng thẳng mà so mình là jog đùa bệt qua mà is a dull pain cái biểu hiện nó cái take a possibility của đi check cái dân renal cancer okay chú của ai check đây thuộc body bên cái đi với chú nó cái but mấy bây giờ along chú nó cái cái bây giờ long nó mới kidney stone carbon cái đai anh bên chỗ của đai turn out you know mà thì cái alcohol a little bit cái đồng rượu đan mít con cái steak ní long you know chạy chăm riêng cái đai nan so those are risk factor cái so đấy rape can kidney disease kana like kidney stone. So kidney stone just admit that long kidney stone. But me chỉ bên chỉ obstruct, cứ me chỉ lấy urethra. Every time me chú wo bag a pin bag chú block. cho mấy cha cái block naturally the point bạc gạc ôi cha kill me there one of the dysfunction chai chale. So let me show you a little bit of picture of kidney. Yeah, then kidney. So share me chala man point in a man and kidney never that cancer itself. But sometimes there's stone urban. Stone go ala wa jige baitin. A bend me jene be ko chuno go mane ba ka ban obstruct. Kidney stone cover wound the same ko cover man. I think you dan kon dia no kono. But you need to tell you me chala prostate cancer in chala man. Ba jot kuno ko ken ba la chang ro dien in time chala. Yes, we take blood in the urine me bed. Where the bed you quick jodo ke benin jodo ke you go and let it be checked. So an ka kujimo can detail to go baka balado. Yeah, the main thing yes. Tiram ke lichi tijinu yes doctor chila de nego da na ta sperm count problem. Amude lado mi jang je ko ta sperm count problem. China la ju mi ki na la treatment number one me chai things can't they are alive take a thing but queen number in did you go one me increase but take go bapal bitapal ukangpal PG agree and go be exercise and contract we are finding the tour. Come when you come while at all, can let it in tin jack a jack queen win. They'll do nothing. Then we can look. Boy and abo yen a check don't bow with the in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization, Baban or again next time. Oh, can is sperm like a harvest sometime. Back and noon, but one walk and they check. Back up and Peter and then back a check, you know. So that take us so many things. That we can help each other. But today I look on the latte. The most expensive one, mida con avoid. Go da con got contact naturally. I think would be the best. Then go da con lim no bana work in vitro fertilization. Can take a candy alcohol got bala. Yes, they work, but they are very expensive. So, and again, I'm going to so until I did. So, maybe if you have question, please go to T. Check in detail. Just send me a hi. Last but not least, making not follow. You follow me. Go to your friend. Your friend request nika chiga tiang. I cannot add any more people. Chere micha 5,000 child already. So kukuji mo chiloida ted mitiga suggestion let me know. So gua mo kon wuna ban tok tin chana cancer kon nang dok. I mean ka dang wan chana kalat prostate cancer, testicular cancer, renal cancer, bladder cancer, and then chana write about testicular torsion, chana write about our infection, epididymitis. So that's good. That's good to go. Next time, bana break a little bit infection in here, the cancer in here manacon, and then from there we'll go to the next topic. So, thank you so much. Bye bye.